Today we are going to find the surface area of rectangular and triangular prisms. To find the surface area of a prism, we first find the area of the front, the back, the top, the bottom, and the two sides. And then we add them together. I found the area of the front and the back. I looked at the front. I'm seeing this is the front. It's 6 by 3. And the front is the same as the back. So I did 6 times 3, which is 18, times 2 because there's a front and a back. Then I found the area of the top and the bottom. Here's the bottom. The bottom is 3 by 5. Therefore, the top is 3 by 5. 3 times 5 is 15, times 2 is 30. Then I found the area of the two sides. The sides are, of course, these here. 5 by 6, which is 30, times 2 is 60. Then I added them together to get 126 inches squared. Remember, all area is labeled in square inches or square, whatever the measurement. Okay, the next is a triangular prism. The triangular prism has top and bottom, which are triangles. In order to find the area of the top triangle and the bottom rectangle, we have to use the base and the height. Remember, they meet at a right angle. Therefore, I'm not going to use the 5. I'm going to use the 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3. So I do 3 times 4. And the formula for area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So 3 times 4 divided by 2. But then I'm going to multiply by 2 because there are 2 of them. So 3 times 4 is 12. Divided by 2 is 6. Times 2 gives me 12. So both triangles together are 12. Then I'm going to look at the front of this. I'm thinking this is the front. It's 3 by 6. 3 by 6, which is 18. Then I'm going to look at the right side, which is this rectangle. 4 by 6. 4 times 6 is 24. And then I'm going to look at the rectangle in the back. 5 by 6. 5 by 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Then I'm going to add these together. Therefore, when I add them together, I get 84 meters squared. And don't forget to label it in square units. Now you're going to work on the surface area of triangular and rectangular prisms in Buzz Math.